Hi, hello, welcome to Manama India A to Z channel. Today recipe is kuttukari recipe. Ingredients needed: red cowpeas 100 grams. Soak it 2 hours. Wash with pure water. Then take a 3-liter pressure cooker. Then put the peas. Then add water. 300 ml water add. Then close the pressure cooker. Then flame on. Wait for cooking 3 to 5 whistle. Wrap plantain 2 NOS, pumpkin 100 grams, 2 green chili, pumpkin and wrap plantain, peel it, then slice it, small pieces. The cooked red cowpeas filtered with another bowl, then add the pumpkin and the wrap plantain, then green chilies. Then add the pure water for cooking. Then flame on. Wait for cooking. 200 ml water add. Then flame on. Wait for cooking. Grated coconut 2 tablespoons. Cumin seeds 1 tablespoon. Garlic 4 pieces, turmeric powder 1 tablespoon. Add, then grind it. The wrap plantain and pumpkin is now cooked. Now add the grinded coconut mix. Then mix it. Well mix it. Medium flame. Then add curry leaves. 10 minutes for low flame. Cook. Then mix it. Then to change a serving bowl. The tasty, delicious wrap plantain pumpkin recipe is ready.